Assalamu alaikum. I hope you would be safe and sound inside your homes. Still, pandemic is there. No doubt, some restrictions have been eased up. Some activities related to life are going on. Traffic is flying on the road. But the sector that is meeting with the biggest loss is the educational sector. Schools are still shut, closed. No physical classroom teaching is there. In these days, you have to rely on these virtual classes to prepare yourselves well for the coming examinations that are scheduled in the month of October or November, as the board has issued the notification regarding it. Your students is a new chapter for class 10th mathematics triangles. Now I will teach you selectively because your examinations are approaching fast. Selectively, I will teach some questions so that you will grasp all the things of the triangles chapter. Today it's introduction. What's a triangle? First of all, it is introductory phase. A triangle is a geometrical figure or a polygon made up of three line segments. A polygon that is made up of three line segments having three sides, three angles is called a triangle. And sometimes it is also called trigon, because tri means three, gon means sides. A figure, a geometrical figure, is having three sides and three angles is a triangle. Or the simplest polygon is the triangle. And it's a very important geometrical figure. So triangles are classified on the basis of angles and sides. So triangles are classified on the basis of sides and angles. First of all, you need to know how triangles are classified on the basis of sides. For example, PQR is a triangle and side PQ is 7 centimeter, QR is 8 centimeter, and this is 10 centimeter. No side in this triangle is equal. All three sides are different, and such a triangle is called equilateral. Such a triangle is called scalene triangle. Remember, a triangle having all three sides different is called scalene triangle. But remember, sum of three angles of a triangle is 180. And remember it also that triangle has six parts, that is three angles and three sides. Next, if triangle having all three sides equal, consider a triangle ABC. It is 7 centimeter, it is 7, it is 7. A triangle having all three sides equal is called equilateral triangle. Now one more. A triangle having, consider a triangle that is EF and G, and it is two sides are equal, that is this side EF and FG are equal, and such a triangle is called isosceles triangle. So this is the classification on the basis of what? Sides. Now angles. Angle sum property, you know the three angles, the sum of three angles of a triangle is 180. Consider a triangle ABC in which one angle is 70, another 60, another 50. So all the angles of this triangle are less than 90 but greater than 0. So such a triangle is called what? Acute angular triangle, because the angle which is greater than 0 but less than 90 is called acute angular triangle. Consider another triangle, say S, T and Q, and this angle is 90, and the rest of the triangles may be 60, 30. These are the acute. A triangle having one angle is equal to 90 is called a right triangle. And a particular triangle, this triangle is right angled at T. So no two right angles can be possible in the right triangle. And last one is obtuse, an angle which is greater than, consider triangle ABC, and one angle here is more than 90. More than 90 and greater than less 90 but less than 180, and such an angle is called obtuse angle, and the triangle is called what? Obtuse triangle. For example, consider a triangle ABC. Triangle having 6 parts, 3 angles, and this is called the vertex. Vertex, the meeting point of two line segments, are a common point. This vertex, this also vertex, this also vertex. Three are called vertices. For example, from this vertex, you are drawing a perpendicular on side BC. But it will make 90 on either side of the D. So by dropping a perpendicular AD on the side BC, this triangle will get divided into two different triangles, that is ABD and ADC, and both will be right triangles, and we can make them congruent by congruency criteria. This is all about the introduction of the triangles. Dear students, do practice mathematics inside your homes. After watching this video, if any confusion strikes your mind, you can call me on 7006671106 or WhatsApp me on the same number. Your query shall be answered when you post your query or confusion. But before leaving the class, I am advising you it's a technical subject to do practice it inside your homes to grasp the mathematical concept. Be inside your homes, defeat COVID-19 infection. Thanks. Be well said.